want to go to college.
What's wrong with going to college?
I don't want to go to...
You don't want to go? Why not? Why don't you want to go? Huh? I can't hear you.
I'm going to miss you.
If you go to college? You're still a baby, Gavin.
And I'm an adult.
When you're an adult. It's okay, everybody has to go to college.
I don't want to.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Why are you crying?
I don't want to go to college.
Okay. It's late, Gavin. Go to bed. Go to bed. Good night.
Good night.
I love you.
I love you too, Mommy.
Bye.